Good morning. This is Kumar from Government Higher Secondary School, Nandivaram, PG Assistant Botany. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Star Media Force. Those who are expecting NEET to crack the seat, welcome to these classes. Today, student must be aware so many exams. The government school student, you must know about the NEET exam. Don't fear about the NEET exam. This is very easy exam and get through the seat. And you have to train, you have to read, you have to practice, you have to concentrate in the biology. You have definitely get the seat from the NEET exam. First of all, what is NEET? Already you know about the NEET exam. NEET is a national test. The academy NTA is going to be conduct this exam. This exam consists physics, chemistry, biology, 3 part, and also these 3 part, each question have 4 mark, and if you mark the wrong answer, you get 1 mark in minus. So these are the instruction. Already you know the test. Now in this biology, very important chapter is there. Lot of chapter is there, and a student must be know about the syllabus. You have to download the syllabus from the NTA website and go through the syllabus. What are the syllabus and what are the concept, you already aware. What are the unknown concept is there, you have to read thoroughly. Nowadays the time is very short period is there. You have to practice the question wise practice. Nowadays is possible to get through the examination. So in this class we have to discuss about physiology, plant physiology. The plant physiology, lot of topic is there. In this class we discuss about the photosynthesis, very important chapter, and vital process of the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The word itself, they have the meaning. Photo means light, synthesize means is combined together, going to be form another product, that is a photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process have 4 things. One is carbon dioxide, another one is water in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll is going to be convert the carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. As well as in this process they have evolved the oxygen in the process. This is very important vital process. Already you know, this is one of the definition. You know that the photosynthesis is where is happen in the photosynthesis. Already we know the lower class. In the photosynthesis, the place of photosynthesis is leaf. Already we know that in the leaf, especially chloroplast, the process is going to be conduct. In the photosynthesis is 2 processes combined together. One is oxidation, another one is reduction. Here the oxidation, the photochemical oxidation and reduction. Photochemical reduction means with the help of sunlight, the reduction is going to be happen. That's why it is photochemical oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means loss of electron, and reduction means gaining of electron. It's the light energy converted into chemical energy. This is the one of the definition. And another one is it is a anabolic process. Anabolic, the process of the life. 2 type of process is going to be conducted every time. So inside the plant as well as inside the living organism. So both are metabolic activities. Already we know that metabolic activities. The metabolic activity it consists of two things. One is anabolic activity, another one is catabolic activity. Catabolism means it is a destructive process. Anabolism is a constructive process. It's going to be constructing new things. This is a anabolism. So photosynthesis is a anabolic process. What anabolism here? The carbon dioxide as well as water, it's going to be converted into carbohydrate and oxygen. See that overall equation of the photosynthesis: 6 carbon dioxide, 6 water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen is evolved. So these are the overall equation, and in this equation you must be fixed in your mind, always asking the question in this equation and balancing the equation, also ask the question. And this equation simply modified Rubin in this equation. The carbon dioxide, one molecule of carbon dioxide converted into carbohydrate of one molecule, it's not enough. It is going to be slightly modified, and see 6 carbon dioxide, 12 H2O is must be reduce the carbon dioxide into one glucose molecule or carbohydrate. This is a Rubin modification. This equation must changed C6H12O6 plus 6 H2O plus 6 oxygen is evolved is by Rubin. And one of the equation already told, this process is consists of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means in this process water is oxidized into oxygen. This is oxidation process. Water is converted into oxygen and electron. This is with the help of sunlight. It is called photolysis of water. Photolysis of water. Photo means light and lysis means is going to be split water into electron and oxygen. This is the oxidation process. So photosynthesis is one part is oxidation, we know that. And reduction, carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrate, gaining of electron. With the help of gaining of electron, carbon dioxide reduced as carbohydrate. Carbohydrate formula, simple carbohydrate C6H12O6. This is one of the definition. And in this photosynthesis process, the photosynthesis is two type according to the evaluation of oxygen. This is non-oxygenic. Non-oxygenic means oxy means oxygen, genic means production. So non-oxygenic, the photosynthesis process not evolve with the oxygen, that process is called non-oxygenic photosynthesis, or otherwise called anaerobic photosynthesis. In this anaerobic or non-oxygenic process is conducted by the lower case of bacteria. Example, green sulfur bacteria and purple sulfur bacteria are the chemosynthetic bacteria. They are not at all utilize or not at all produce oxygen for photosynthesis. So these are the example. This is also very important, keep it in your mind. They will ask the question in these areas also. And another one of the photosynthesis is aerobic photosynthesis. Aerobic means the plant which are produce oxygen during the photosynthesis, it is called aerobic photosynthesis. So keep it in your mind, definition of the photosynthesis. These are the things must be keep it in your mind. Definition: photosynthesis is a photochemical oxidation reduction process of light energy converted into chemical energy, and this is a anabolic process. Anabolism means already told, it is a constructive process. So the anabolism and catabolism totally called metabolism, we know that. And overall equation and oxidation, what is oxidation and what is reduction, and what are the two type of photosynthesis. This is must to be kept in your mind. This is only the definition of the photosynthesis. The student must know the significance of the photosynthesis. So first we have to know about the photosynthesis significance. Through the photosynthesis, the plants are provide food for all living organisms. This is the main. The organism depends directly or indirectly the plants for the food. This is fulfilled by the plants. And another thing is liberate oxygen into the atmosphere, balance the atmosphere. Liberate oxygen. Oxygen is very important. It is for respiration. So in this respiratory oxygen is given by the photosynthesis, and also maintain the balance of the atmosphere. In the atmosphere, oxygen is 21%. It is always keeping by the photosynthesis. This is balancing of the oxygen. And another thing is balance of oxygen and carbon cycle in the nature. Carbon is very important of the all the living organisms. The body is consist of the carbon mainly, and also food is consist of carbon always. Carbohydrate, fat and proteins, all the food material consist of carbon. So the carbon cycle is obtained by the photosynthesis. And another thing is fuel. Fuel means as a coal, petroleum, other fossil fuels. Coal we are going to be digging. This is one of the fossil fuel. This is one of the body of the plant. So and petroleum also, it is a product of the photosynthesis. So whenever in the olden days the plants are immersed in the soil, it is going to be suck the sap of the plant. It is converted into petroleum and diesel and other fossil fuels also, natural gas also. It's obtained or is process of the directly or indirectly photosynthesis. Another thing is primary producer. The plants are the primary producer. Other which organism or other organism are consumer. The consumer need energy with the help of photosynthesis only. So provide fodder and fiber, firewood, timber, useful medicines. These and all is going to be obtained to others by photosynthesis. These are very important. Keep it in your mind, the photosynthesis significance. Thank you student. We will meet again the next class. If you like this video, you put the bell button and give the comments and give the subscription to. Thank you very much.